Hi, I'm Alex Vayner, Chief Growth Officer at SparkBeyond. We are an enterprise AI company that helps organizations optimize their operations across industries like retail banking, telecom, insurance, manufacturing. Our platform enhances large language models, currently mostly called LLMs, by enabling them to process structured data, which is the lifeblood that drives revenues and profits for any business, alongside with unstructured data and the world knowledge, which LLMs do already. By combining this capability with GenAI advanced reasoning, we deliver actionable insights and prescriptive recommendations that actually drive measurable impact and solve some of the hardest problems that businesses face today. So our flagship product, the Always Optimized platform, is designed to continuously improve KPIs by leveraging advanced AI capabilities. What really sets us apart are three key differentiators. One is enhanced LLMs. So our platform processes structured data from enterprise data warehouses, CRMs, really any repository within the company that houses structured data alongside with unstructured contextual data like social sentiment or weather patterns. And then combines this with the natural reasoning that LLMs bring in their capability to generate prescriptive actions that optimize specific KPIs. So these insights often uncover counterintuitive drivers, like a retail bank discovering that the frequent mobile app updates reduce churn by 37%. Such insights are really unlikely to emerge from traditional feature engineering by a team of data scientists, which is the usual way most enterprises attack problems like this. And this is why we often bring disproportionate value and solve some of the hardest challenges that conventional machine learning tools struggle with. The second differentiator for us is explainability. So our proprietary hypothesis engine generates millions and millions of hypotheses per minute, literally hundreds of millions, up to a billion, and then narrows it down to the most impactful drivers for a particular KPI. And then each driver is then presented in plain English and makes it easy for users to understand why certain factors matter. And this is fundamentally different than the deep learning models that are used today often that are essentially black boxes and present a challenge, especially for the regulated industries like financial services and healthcare, which demand an understanding for the output of any model. The third differentiator for us is flexible architecture. So what does that mean? Our platform integrates seamlessly with all of the major hyperscalers like AWS, Azure, GCP, and it also supports leading LLMs such as Gemini, Llama, Anthropic, Grok, and that ensures scalability across different measurements. So all of this comes together to bring one product that really acts and delivers value differently than anything that I've seen on the marketplace. So a major retail bank faced a customer churn challenge, KPI optimization issue, right? Using our hypothesis engine, we uncovered a hidden driver, right? And this is what I alluded to earlier, that customers who updated their mobile app frequently were much less likely to churn. So what does the bank do with that information? In fact, they simply incentivized the updates through the targeted campaigns, and customers would download the update, and then that eventually would reduce churn. And that actually, in that particular case, resulted in more than $40 million in annual customer lifetime value. And all of this was seen within the first 3 months of the deployment of this product. What I see are really two big transformative trends. One is AI pragmatism. So enterprises are moving beyond the hype of AI and they're focusing on tools that really deliver measurable value and ROI. So we see the focus shifting from experimentation to scalable solutions that integrate seamlessly into the workflows, what we call system level models, right? And those models emphasize practicality and they align with business goals rather than chase abstract benchmarks that were created by often data scientists. The second big shift and trend that I see is agentic AI. So the next frontier will be autonomous agents, AI agents, of course, capable of monitoring, analyzing, optimizing business processes all in real time. So at SparkBeyond, we're actually preparing the next generation of our platform to serve as the foundation for agent builders, enabling organizations to create adaptive agents that continuously improve their performance. So these are the trends that signal a shift towards AI systems that don't just augment human decisioning making, but actively drive operational excellence and do it at scale. So by focusing on outcomes rather than technology for its own sake, businesses will unlock new levels of efficiency and innovation. That's the big theme for 2025. So if you're exploring how AI can transform your enterprise operations, or looking simply for a way to make generative AI practical for your business, SparkBeyond offers a unique perspective. Our platform bridges the gap between structured data and generative reasoning while delivering transparent insights that drive measurable impact. So here's a story I love sharing. One of our clients describes SparkBeyond as the platform that finds what we didn't know even we were looking for. That's exactly what we aim to do, solve the hardest problem that enterprises haven't been able to crack with traditional machine learning tools. We also work closely with systems integrators like TCS and Infosys to ensure seamless deployment across industries and connectivity across your tech ecosystem. So whether it's tracking customer churn or fraud for a bank or looking at machine downtime for a manufacturer, SparkBeyond helps uncover hidden drivers of performance that others simply miss.